Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are taking a look at Flat 6 Bayside House, which is on St Mildred's Road in Westgate on Sea. Now, the first thing you'll notice coming straight through off of that hallway is that lovely picture window there at the front. It's a real feature of the room and it makes it pop with all that natural sunlight. And you can see there how close you are to the seafront. It really is within touching distance here, and some other lovely views over the rooftops there of Westgate. So this property really is the perfect first time buy. It's a fantastic investment property if you want to add another option to your portfolio, and you've got a really nice amount of space. The kitchen here is modern. You've got the fridge freezer under the counter there on the left, you've got the wine cooler there on the right, and there's some really nice storage alternatives here as well in that kitchen. But this room here is a really lovely, well-appointed room. You've got plenty of sunlight coming through and it's a really nice size, and there's nothing here to do whatsoever. It's ready to go. So we'll come through the main entrance hall here and we'll take a look up, and you can see that lovely Velux window there, which again just allows all of that natural light to flood in and it gives a really nice light and bright and airy feel to this apartment. So here we are in the double bedroom. You've got another Velux window there at the back, and this is a really good sized room. You've got that double bed, you've got that storage cupboard there on the left hand side, and you've got a bit more room for a wardrobe. So there's plenty of space here, and you can see it's really immaculately finished. It's immaculately clean and it genuinely is ready to go. So having a look in the shower room here, you've got that lovely big double modern shower unit there, and we'll get in so I can give you a perspective of the rest of the room here so you can see how big it is, because it's a lovely size. And to recap a few bits on this property, like I said at the beginning, it's a wonderful first time buy. It's a fantastic investment option to add to your portfolio, and it just adds a bit of character. It's a really nice option, and I'd ask you to give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out more.